Okay, so part 2. Part 1, I just quickly showed you. Why didn't I write this down? I'm going to pause it and write it down. Bam! Last video I showed you that sine theta is equal to y over r, cos theta is equal to x over r, tan theta is equal to y over x. So what it says here is that if sine w is equal to 3 over 5, so what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to find, first of all, sine w is 3 over 5. Now what that tells me is that this is the y over the r. So this is the y value, and this is the r value. So the y value, where both are acute angles, this is very important. It tells me that they are both in the first quadrant. So this distance is 5, because that is my r. It's the distance of the terminal arm is what they call this thing. And then the y value up to that point is 3. Okay, that's all I know so far. But that's what this tells me. So you've got to be able to take this and turn it into a picture. This is w. Well, I guess technically this is w. Now, what am I going to do for t? Okay, so I know that cos of t is equal to 12 over 13. In cos, this is x, this is r. It's also acute angle, and it's in the first quadrant, so the x value is equal to 12 when the r, so x is along this way, so if 12 and 13, it means it's just a little bit above here. So this is 13, there's the triangle that I make. This one is 12 though, because the x value is 12. Okay, now do a quick bit of Pythagorean theorem, solve for this x and this y. So 5 squared minus 3 squared, take the square root, equals, and on this side, okay, I'm just going to calculate that. Oh wait, where's my brain? I can calculate that in my head. 25 minus 9 is 16. Take the square root of 16 and you have 4. Okay, I should have known my 3, 4, 5 triangle. Come on, you're a math teacher. So that's a 4, not a 9 in case it looks like one. Now 13, 12 is actually a special triangle as well, but I don't remember what it is, so we'll just go over it again. So you do 13 squared minus 12 squared. You take the square root. So 169 minus 144 is 25. Take the square root of 25 and you get 5. So, okay, now that I have these triangles, this is the W, this is the T. Okay, now what I need to do, find sine, cos, and tan for each of these. So I already know the sine of W. The sine of W is equal to 3 over 5. That was given. Now, what I also know, though, is now I know the cos of W. The cos of W is 4 over 5. And the tan of W is equal to O over A. So from here, it's 3 over 4. Hope you can read those numbers. This side, I can now find the sine of T. I already know the cos of T, and I can get the tan of T. So, sine of T. O over H is 5 over 13. This one I already knew was 12 over 13. And the last one is 5 over 12. Bam! Sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan. Now, I don't need all those things, but you should know how to do this. So I wanted to go over this anyways. Here's what I'm going to need to do. I'm going to need to find the exact value of sine W plus T. All right. Here's what we do. We pause, we make a new video.